City of Austin has been selected as a COVID-19 vaccine test site. Benchmark Research is launching clinical research trials this month, and it's looking for participants.
KXAN's Jennifer Sanders explains why Austin was chosen and who the company is hoping to recruit for its trials.
The race is on to find a vaccine for COVID-19. Benchmark Research is now in phase 3 of clinical research trials. This means by the end of the month, they will start enrolling people to test the possible COVID-19 vaccine in Austin.
Austin is also included because we're having a surge in cases.
The company says phase 3 is focused on how average people will react to the vaccine, but they do want to find participants who are more likely to be exposed to COVID-19, like essential workers or people who are at risk for severe illnesses.
The government does want us to have a larger than normal percent participation by all minorities in the trial.
Benchmark is just one of many companies across the U.S. testing the vaccine and sharing the findings with pharmaceutical companies.
There are 23 different vaccines in trials now. If 4 or 5 of them hit, then it's good because there'll be multiple options.
Professor Dan Leahy is the chair of the Department of Molecular Biosciences at UT. Researchers in his department are helping with the experimental vaccine developed by Moderna and the National Institutes of Health. With an accelerated timeline, experts hope to see a vaccine by the end of the year.
After the trial starts, figure a month or 2 to get enough people enrolled, another month or 2 for them to get their shots. And then it's up to the virus itself to see see how it goes.
He says high-risk people will likely get the vaccine first before it's rolled out to everyone. In Austin, Jennifer Sanders, KXAN News.
This entire research study will test 30,000 people across the U.S. for 2 years. Enrollment for the Benchmark Research trial should begin in the last week of July. People selected will be compensated. The company's CEO tells us their research trials pay up to $1,500. If you're interested in becoming part of this study, visit KXAN.com.